with something she did a couple of weeks ago, Walking in the Rain. And this should be a hit. And radio, play it. All right?
Walking down the street, kicking cans, looking at the billboard. Oh, so rad. Summing up the people, checking out the race, doing what I'm doing, feeling out of place, walking in the rain. Feeling like a woman, looking like a man, sounding like a no-no, making when I can, whistling in the darkness, shining in the light, coming to conclusion, right, it's night, it's time, walking in the rain. Button up your lips. Walking in the rain. Walking in the rain.
Walking in the Rain with Grace.